Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Windows 10 photo app error. This is oops, we cannot save that one error you're coming across on your Windows computer. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best match should come back with Troubleshoot Settings. Go ahead and left click on that option. On the right side, you want to scroll down underneath Get Up and Running. So again, go underneath Find and Fix Other Problems. Select Windows Store App, troubleshoot problems that may prevent Windows Store apps from working properly, and select Run the Troubleshooter. And then again, I'd follow along with any suggestions that it has prompted for you here. So again, just follow along with anything here. If it wants you to restart, I'd recommend restarting once this process is done. So again, follow along what it says here, Microsoft account required, so make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account. So could be some good information through that. Close out of here. Now if you're still having a problem, we can try opening up the Pictures folder. So if you want to open up File Explorer through the taskbar or through the Start menu, whatever you prefer. And underneath frequent folders, you want to find Pictures. Pictures might be on the left side here underneath Quick Access as well. And you want to go select the Properties, so right click on it and then select Properties. Select the Security tab. Select whatever group or username you're having the problem with here and select Edit. So if anything's currently denied, you want to go select the Allow button. So go ahead and just select full control for the picture folder. Make sure it's all selected, so if anything's currently denied, it should give you an option to allow it. So make your change, make sure the box in full control is checkmarked next to allow for whatever user account you are specifying here. And once you're done, select OK. Select OK one more time. Restart your computer, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.